The common barn owl has a diet that grows more diverse with the seasonal availability of prey. During winter months, their main diet consists of voles. Voles are one of the more common prey of the barn owl, and there's over 155 different species of voles around the world. By the end of summer, though, food choices include a broad variety of rodents, insects, and even small reptiles. As bugs feast on crops and other plant life, mature birds and rodents venture beyond their nests and become prey. But voles remain their staple choice, comprising about 80% of their diet. In the fall, as creek beds and rivers run dry, unique items such as small fish and crawfish become part of the barn owl's diet. Additionally present are insects, rodents, small mammals, birds, snakes, frogs, and most commonly, voles. In the winter, it's the leanest season of selection for a barn owl, but because it's an important dietary time in preparation for the reproductive season, voles and other winter birds are under constant threat to this effective hunter. By spring, the primary reproductive season of barn owls, the male hunts and brings an abundant choice of food, including small mammals, rodents, birds, insects, and more. Being that spring is also a reproductive season for other species, small juvenile mammals such as skunks and rabbits are a delicacy. This seasonal cycle continues year after year after year, but sometimes there are outside forces that interrupt this cycle and reduce the available prey to a barn owl. Those outside forces can include flooding, harsher winters, hot, dry summers, and other conditions that might interrupt the reproductive cycle of their prey, thus leading to less of an availability for the barn owl to find their food.
Learn more about fun, affordable, and quality owl brand products and resources at our website or on Facebook.